We have a 2014 SEAT Ibiza 1.2 TSI, and this is the iTECH. So it's got a few goodies on it. So this is actually a category S from the insurance company, and this is how it is. So pretty much no damage apart from that wing. It has caught this door here, but pretty much it's only got some scratches and scuffs, which definitely will polish out. And in fact, there you go, they're polishing out straight away. And the same one there, and it looks like it's rubbed on something there. So in short, all that will be needed on this car is a wing mirror obviously, and it's done the quarter glass there, which is just bolted. It's 3 bolts and it squeezes in, and that's it. And a little bit of rubbing there, that'll polish out definitely. So let's go around the car. No damage to the windscreen, the top, the bonnet, the headlights, the bumper. Down that side is nice and clean, decent alloy wheels on it. It's actually got power fold mirrors as well. And the back and side all good. See the tailgate. Tailgate good. Little mark down there. Oh no, it's polish. It's coming out. And down this side, pretty much just there. And hopefully there's to be a decent blend on it. It's a blue, so it should be quite easy. Let's have a look inside. And it's got 2 keys, better service history, nice seats, like that part leather. So provision for sat nav, half decent radio, aircon, and full of buttons which are nothing in particular. We've got steering wheel controls there, cruise control, and that's it. So how much is this car? So I'm guessing these are typically around 7 grand. So with an easy fix there, bit of paint, this is going to be 5,500. It'll make someone a very decent car.